the Till Vacuum house. I feel like I'm so off lately. We just got back from a Destin trip and I just like haven't recovered. I feel like I've never done that with a vacation, but we had to be at the airport at 5:30, so we had to get up really early, but like I woke up in a panic thinking we overslept. Does anyone do that? But it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't go back to sleep. I don't know, I'm just still having a hard time. Like I just did my morning routine and it's 10:30, so it's like taking me a while to get things done. I know you guys are probably shocked by my color. I'll talk about this later. I do want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video, but I was ordering online and they had this color, and when I ordered it, I was like, I'm pretty sure that's my color. So I brought my color thing in here and I wanted to see, yep, there it is, look. Let's see, lime green. You guys think that's pretty close? Look at that. Probably won't see this color on me a lot, but I wanted to try it out. I got neutrals too, so I'm gonna do a Walmart clothing haul here in a little bit. I found some really good pieces like this, but definitely stay tuned for that. I need to get some laundry done. There's just stuff around the house that has to be caught up on. Like I said, we've been going on a trip and I just feel like I can't catch up. And I never do that with trips. Like when I leave, I like prepare myself so when I come back, I'm not behind, I'm ahead. But once I got here, I don't know, I'm on the struggle bus. Destin was amazing though. I don't know if you can tell by my tan, we got some sun. We had a really, really good trip. So we've been going since our first year of marriage. Not every year, but every year that we can. And we've always stayed at the same place. And this year we went crazy, just like me wearing lime green, and stayed at a different location. It was amazing. I feel like we've been missing out. It was like perfect. The food was great. We were really worried about the weather because there had been so much rain there too. And it did rain, but never when we were like in the ocean. And then we came back and it's been storms nonstop, but I think it's sunny today and tomorrow. So there's just things we got to get caught up on. But I hope you guys are having a good summer. It is super duper hot here, like humid. It was humid in Florida, obviously, and then it's humid here. I feel like I'm doing towels like crazy. I call this like the point of summer where you take like 2 or 3 showers a day. Not that it's like full hair, but like I have to get in and rinse off. I'm just like so sweaty and gross. I've almost been back to washing my hair every day because like it gets so wet. It's just nasty. I don't know. Is anybody else experiencing that, or is it just like here in Oklahoma and Florida? I do want to thank Walmart again for sponsoring today's video, but let's talk about this clothing haul. You guys love anytime I share Walmart clothing, and so I wanted to do a quick haul for you. This top, I like gasped when I saw it online. I ordered it in every color they had. Typically the color one is what I wouldn't have bought, but when I saw it, I was like, I'm pretty sure that's going to be my color analysis color, and it was to a T. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually loving it. I don't know where I'd wear it. It would have been perfect for the beach vacation, but it's just such a nice pop. This is one of those tops, I know we say it all the time, but you can really dress it up or down. Like if you're gonna be in the office, you could put this on with slacks. You could put this on with like denim jeans, white jeans, dark jeans, black jeans. I just have it on with cutoff shorts. You guys know I'm like super casual around here. I feel comfortable, but the quality on it, I wanna get up close. Like it is stunning. The texture on it, the buttons on it, it's just gorgeous. It looks so high-end. I mean, when I saw it on Walmart.com, I was like, I have to have it. I'm so glad I ordered it. My whole look is from Walmart as well. So like these shorts are my favorite. I want to say I talked about these in my last Walmart video. It's nice because they're like stretchy all the way around. So there is a button, but it doesn't actually work. You just slide them on and off. And I love kind of like the squared off pockets right here. They're just a really good, like, comfy fit. I also paired it just with my go-to sandals. I bought these at the very beginning of summer and I've wore them to death. I'm pretty sure they still have them. I share them every time I talk about them. I think they've went out of stock a few times, but they keep restocking them. Before I style this in a few different looks, I wanted to show you like with this cute bag. This is another one. Like this is so on trend right now. This looks so high end. Like it's a very lightweight though. So if you ever get worried about like purses already being heavy before you put stuff in them, this is not gonna be that one. Like, it's already lightweight. I love that it has the handle here too. That's how I would carry it. I used to have this friend in high school, and she used to always call me a little old lady because I would always just like carry my purse like this, but I've just done it my whole life. I just feel like it's perfect. It's cute. And then obviously for summer, to finish out the look, I'm like an aviator girl, and I have some high-end ones, but they always scare me. Like, I'm so careful with them. I would never take them on a trip or the beach. So I love just having stuff like this that I can throw in my purse, leave in the car, leave it in like Chase's car, leave it out by the pool. They fit really nicely. Like, some are loose. I love the brown because that's my color analysis color too. So you're actually seeing here in all my full colors. So the lime green, the brown, they tell me to stay away from black. So some of these aren't gonna be my actual colors, so you can see if you can tell a difference, but it's just like a cute little look. This is so stinking classy to me. Like, look at this. This is full on Walmart. I'm loving the bag. I really love the color. It's just a good color to have with like all your neutrals. But this is more of like a navy. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but I just love this, like, I don't know, I feel like this is summer vibes too. But once again, this time I left it buttoned just so you can see. My earrings and necklace is from there as well, so I'm gonna link those. These are amazing hoops. They have the best hoops. I have all different sizes. These are good ones like if you're gonna pull your hair up, because they're like really big and I feel like it's cute, but they also get seen when I have like long hair, so I like the big ones. Okay, I wanna try to see if I can get the look with the shoes. There we go. Like, look at this style. I think it's so cute, it's so easy, it's so affordable, and I feel like it's just like a super classic, easy look. Okay, and I do want to talk about this purse real fast up close. The handle is stunning. It's got this strap if you want it, but it's got tons of like organization inside. I love when purses are divided so I can like split up different things. It's got pockets on the side, it's got the zipper in the middle, it's got another zipper on the side, and again, it just looks high-end and like pairs so nicely. Here is another look for you. So this is the same top, just different colors. I brought large in all of them. These are like a darker wash shorts, I feel like, than the other ones, just a tad bit. They have like just the normal pockets. Like, you don't see the seam on the outside where the other ones are like square. This is more my style. I have short legs, so I feel like I have to go shorter. And I just feel like it's cute, it's classic, it's easy. Other influencers will say this is out of style. I will tell you, I fully believe this is classic. Like black and white or navy and white stripes with gold hardware. It may not be trending, but it's classic, and I don't feel like it's going anywhere. And the final look, I just wanted you to see it in all different ways and all different colors. I love this. Like, this is very summery to me because it's like lighter colors, they're not dark. Now, what I will say, this is like a sweater knit. So if you're saying, Ashley, I'm gonna get hot in that, I would not go to a fireworks show in this. I would not go anywhere like to a game in this, but like inside my house, I'm freezing. Inside stores, I'm freezing. Inside restaurants, I'm freezing. So when it's just like, we're gonna be out running errands, I can 100% wear this. Like, even in the car, I'm cold. So I'm just one of those, like, since it's like short sleeve, super cute, super easy to pull off. But yeah, like if you were gonna be outside all day, you could go with a different look. Okay, this is probably gonna be shocking for all of us, but I'm actually gonna leave the lime green on. I really like it today. I don't know, maybe I'm just losing my mind over here, but I am gonna have everything linked on that I tried for you today down below in the description box. So definitely be able to check out on Walmart because they have amazing products. It gets shipped straight to your door. It's always super fast. And I feel like I find the best things there. Like, I don't always find all these options in store, but online, they have amazing things. Like, this was not in my store and it is gorgeous. I've been needing to do that for a while. I feel like I keep pulling out the same shirts to wear, but they're all wrinkled. They just like wrinkle easily, but I've been wanting to wear them now that it's summertime. They're basically shirts that work best with shorts, but they were always wrinkled, and then I would always just find something else to wear than taking the time. So one day I just like pulled all of them out, like all the things that needed to be ironed that I've been wanting to wear. That way I could just get it all done at once. So it feels good. I put them back in there where they won't get wrinkled, but I definitely need to do a declutter soon. Like I feel like my clothes are just getting too tight. That's why it's wrinkling. And then there's some cabinets in my house. I'm even getting the itch to like declutter my blankets. Maybe it's because of the heat. I don't know. But if you want to see a big declutter video, comment down below so I know to film it. Chase is waiting outside for me. We just got to get a few things done outside. It's been so rainy. The sun is out. It's going to be out for a little bit. So we're going to get some of the stuff set up outside, take care of a few things, and then back in because it's probably super warm today. Okay, now we're coming to the front yard. I know from like far away, it looks all nice and pretty. We came out here today to like have our morning drinks. It's like covered in weeds. It's getting through like the barrier and then the rocks. So we're gonna get that taken care of today. Someone took off in the mud to chase a bird while we were in the front yard. And it is so wet here in Oklahoma. It doesn't look like it, but it's been raining nonstop. So this is what happens when you have a white doodle that chases a big old bird. And he isn't mad about it.
You're gonna get your paws clean.
Okay, let's get him sprayed down. This is what we do. This is how we clean him before he comes in.
Good boy.
We've learned it's kind of the
okay.
easiest way, but he doesn't like water that much. So we're needing to work on these drawers today. Basically, I was getting around in here last night for bed and this drawer just like fell out. It was already not pushing in correctly and the bottom was a little off, but it just completely like slid out. And so Chase pulled it out, and basically what happened is like the stuff they're using is like 3D printed stuff, which we don't love. But we've learned if we write them and just tell them if they drop the pieces off, Chase will fix it. And then they send us pics, like they'll put these in our mailbox the next day and then Chase can fix it. If we have the company come out and fix it, we can like bug them for months and they'll eventually do it. But it's really easy for Chase to fix. But what we did notice is they made them bigger this time. So hopefully these will just be more supportive. So we're gonna go ahead and get these put on the drawers, and hopefully we don't have to do this throughout the entire house. Hopefully the other ones hold up better, but you can see like the size difference, and you can see how like those like cracked. Another thing I do want to mention is this drawer doesn't have a ton of weight in it. Like the drawer weighs a lot because it's white oak, but it's not like the drawer was too heavy or too full because it's just like brushes, clips, like even the containers in there don't weigh much. Now this one is my heavier drawer, and so that's why I keep it on the bottom. Plus I use this one more, but it's up higher. But just in case you were like, Ashley, it's too full, it's really not. Like compared to the drawer itself, it doesn't add much weight at all. And then if you watched my last like home projects, updates type video, we installed this like necklace holder and I am still loving it. Like it is perfect. It's just not like, it's just pretty on the eye, but it's also functional. And then I just keep my other items down there. But I just wanted to update you on that just in case you guys were wondering if I've had an itch to switch yet. I have not. And now they are fixed. They're just like so much sturdier now, like where before they were kind of like wobbly. It was probably already breaking in there. I went ahead and decided to like organize them or just like clean them up while I had them out. But like even the like sliding feature works better. So I'm glad we got that fixed. Every time I see myself on camera, like I can see myself over here, so I know I'm in the screen and I see the lime green and it's so shocking. Or I like walk past a mirror or window or something. I just wanted to thank everybody for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this style, let me know for like future videos and editing. But don't forget to check out Walmart. Everything I found on Walmart is just amazing. I'm gonna have their link and then all the items I talked about linked down below in the description box. But I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I will see you in the next one. Bye.